Check out my first quick little video on how to change spark plugs on a 2014 Chevy Malibu. Wasn't hard. It's not a very long video, but definitely done. Yeah, shit, them shits was over with. Done. Yeah. Alright. This is what it's supposed to look like. Nice, shiny shit. That shit's crazy.
Nigga, fuck your dead homie, school gang, or body for body. Lollipop. Yeah. Nigga, fuck your dead homie, school gang, or body for body. I used to play ball every day, like clapping niggas my new hobby. Bitch, I bounce back off the handshot. Your man's dead and I feel sorry. I know my uncle got his shit cracked, though it's dirt. I seen his brain, that shit was gnarly. All my moms already know, like already know what parties. Yeah, they hit the lights, I stuck the gas. Nigga, stop hating no spoon. It ain't my fault, your music ass. We don't like them niggas, and if you from that block, don't get no pass. I came from my home, and I've been on this one, bitch, real bad.
Now, when the torque it down to 15 foot-pounds. I'm gonna take and put electric grease on the tip of this. Yeah, there ain't nothing really much to this, honestly. Just make sure you don't fucking cross thread shit, which, as long as you can get that motherfucker on there. Slides in the hole, you'll be able to fill it. Two down, two more to go, which I mean, that's pretty much that.